afternoon, students. In previous class, we have discussed about Madras Native Association. When was started the Madras Native Association? Beginning of Indian Nationalist Press, the Hindus and Swadeshi Mitran. The Hindu newspaper was started in the year 1878. Madras Mahajana Sabha. Madras Mahajana Sabha, when was started? Madras Mahajana Sabha, who was started the Madras Mahajana Sabha? Moderate pace. Why was started the Swadeshi movement? What are the response in Tamil Nadu people? When was started the Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company? Tirunelveli Uprising. Revolutionary activities in Tamil Nadu. Home Rule movement was started by Annie Besant. Home Rule movement was started in the year 1916. Today class, we are going to see non-Brahmins movement and the challenge to Congress. There were increase of educated non-Brahmin students. These non-Brahmins raised the issues of caste discrimination and unequal opportunities in government employment and a representation in elected bodies, which were dominated by the Brahmins. So this Brahmins started the South Indian Liberal Federation. The South Indian Liberal Federation is also called as SILF. SILF means South Indian Liberal Federation. The non-Brahmins started political organization in order to safeguard themselves. In 1912, they formed the Madras Dravidian Association. C. Nadesanar was its secretary of this association. In 1916, he started the Dravidian Association Hostel only for the non-Brahmin students. Meeting was held November 20, 1916 for the non-Brahmins. The meeting was held under the leadership of Tyagarajanar, Dr. T.M. Nair and C. Nadesanar. The meeting took place at Victoria Public Hall. Victoria Public Hall is in Chennai. About 30 non-Brahmins participated in this meeting. SILF was founded to promote the interest of the non-Brahmins. This SILF is also called as Justice Party. Then Justice Ministry. The Congress, they boycotted the election in the year 1920. But Justice Party contest the election. They own 63 out of 98 elected seats in the Legislative Council. A. Subbarayulu became the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. After 1923 election, Raja of Panagal of Justice Party formed the ministry. Then next we are going to see government repressive measures. Rowlatt Act. Already we discussed about Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act was passed in the year 1919. What does mean by Rowlatt Act? According to the Rowlatt Act, Indian would be arrested without any warrant. A draconian anarchical and revolutionary crimes act. Draconian anarchical and revolutionary crimes act is also known as the Rowlatt Act. After the name of Sir Sidney Rowlatt, who headed the committee that recommended it, was passed in 1919. What was Rowlatt Act? According to the Act, anyone would be imprisoned on charge of terrorism without due judicial process. Indian were aghast at this. So Gandhi gave his voice against the Rowlatt Act and adopted the Satyagraha method that he had used in South Africa. And next we are going to see Rowlatt Satyagraha. What is Rowlatt Satyagraha? Gandhi started the civil disobedient movement. Satyagraha and civil disobedient movement are the same one, you know. On 18th March 1919, Gandhi arrested. Meeting was held at Marina Beach. On 6th April 1919, Hartals was organized. Hartal means closing of shops, schools, then offices. Oh, means Hartals. Hartals was organized to protest against the Black Act. Black Act means Rowlatt Act. Protest demonstration were held at several parts of Tamil Nadu. Procession from many areas of the cities converged in the Marina Beach, where there was a large gathering. They devoted the whole day, the people, whole day to fasting and the prayers in Marina Beach. Madras Satyagraha Sabha was formed. Rajaji, Kasturi Ranga, S. Satyamurthy and George Joseph addressed the meeting. Apart from this meeting, a separate meeting of workers was addressed by V. Kalyana Sundaram, Tiruvika, B. B. Vadia and BOC. An important aspect of the movement was the working classes. Students and women took part in the large number. Then next we are going to learn Khilafat movement. When I started the Khilafat movement? Khilafat movement was started in the year 1919, started by Ali brothers. Why Khilafat movement? Why was started the Khilafat movement? After the First World War, the Caliph of Turkey, was humiliated and deprived of all powers. So to restore the Caliph, the Khilafat movement was started. Muslims who had largely kept from the nationalist movements now joined it in its huge number. In Tamil Nadu, Khilafat Day was observed on 17th April 1920 with a meeting presided over by Maulana Shaukat Ali. Another such conference was held at Erode. Then Wanembadi was the epicenter. Epicenter means important place of the Khilafat agitation. Then non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation movement. Who started the non-cooperation movement? The non-cooperation movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi. When was started the non-cooperation movement? Non-cooperation movement was started in the year 1920. There are three stages in the non-cooperation movement. Already you know three stages. First stage of the non-cooperation movement renounce the title and honors. Then second stage of the non-cooperation movements, all the government institutions were boycotted, including schools, colleges, offices were boycotted. Then final stage of the non-cooperation movement of non-payment of taxes is the final stage of the non-cooperation movement. Tamil Nadu was active during the non-cooperation movement. C. Rajaji and E.V. Ramasamy. E.V. Ramasamy is also called as Periyar, provided the leadership. Rajaji worked closely with Yaqub Hasan, founded the Madras branch of Muslim League. As a result, the Muslim and Hindus cooperated closely during the course of the movement. A Congress volunteers corps was set up to distribute pamphlets carrying flag during the processions and to maintain order in meetings. They also played an important part in picketing of liquor shop. Then next we are going to see non-tax campaign and temperance movement. So final stage of the movement was non-payment of taxes. Peasants and cultivators, they refused to pay the taxes. As a part of non-cooperation movement in many places, cultivators, they refused to pay the taxes. A non-tax campaign took place in Tanjavur Council. Schools and court were boycotted. They boycotted the foreign goods. There were a number of workers' strike all over region, many of them led by nationalist leaders. One of the important aspects of the non-cooperation movement in Tamil Nadu was temperance movement or movement against. So this movement started against the liquor shop. In November 1921, it was decided to organize civil disobedience movement. Rajaji, Subramania Shastri and EVR were arrested. The visit of Prince of Wales on 13th January 1922 was boycotted. In the police repression, 2 were killed and many injured. Why Gandhi withdrawal the non-cooperation movement? After the Chauri Chaura incident, Chauri Chaura incident, the peasant attacked the police station, then killed 22 policemen. Chauri Chaura incidents happened in the year 1922. So Gandhi withdrawal the non-cooperation movement after the Chauri Chaura incident. Surajist justice rivalry. Who are Surajist? Then justice rivalry. Withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement. The Congress was split into 2 groups. One is no changes and pro changes. Who were no changes? No changes were those who wanted to follow the Gandhian principle or Gandhian path. They followed the Gandhian method, Gandhian non-violence method. They call no changer. Pro changer means was those who wanted to contest the election or for the council is called pro changers. No changer who wanted to continue boycott the council and pro changers who wanted to contest the election for the council. Rajaji, along with the other staunch Gandhian followers, opposed the council entry. Along with Kasturi Rangan and M.A. Ansari, Rajaji advocated the boycott of the council, but opposed by C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru started the Swaraj Party. Opposition to led this formation of the Swaraj Party within the Congress by the Chitranjan Das or C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. In Tamil Nadu, the Swarajists were led by S. Srinivasanar and S. Satyamurthy. Then next we are going to see Subbarayan ministry. When was started the Subbarayan ministry? In the election 1926, held in the year 1926, the Surajists owned the majority of elected seats. However, they didn't accept the office in accordance with the Congress policy. Instead, they supported an independent P. Subbarayan to form the ministry. The Surajists did not contest the election in the year 1930, so that Justice Party got victory. The Justice Party remained in office till the year 1937. Then next we are going to see Simon Commission. When was started the Simon Commission? Simon Commission was formed in the year 1927. Then arrival of Simon Commission to India in the year 1928. 1927. A Simon Commission was constituted under the Sir John Simon to review the Act of 1919 Rowlatt Act. So they reviewed the Act of Rowlatt Act 1919 and to suggest the reform. However, to great disappointment of Indian, because there were no members in Simon Commission. There were no Indian members in the Simon Commission. It was all white commission with not a single Indian member, so the Congress boycotted the Simon Commission. In Madras, the Simon Boycotted Propaganda Committee was set up with S. Satyamurthy as the president. There was widespread campaign among the students, shopkeepers, lawyers and commuters in trying to boycott. The arrival of Simon Commission in Madras 1929 February 18 was greeted with demonstration and hartals. Black flag were waved against the Simon Commission. They wrote, "Go back, Simon." The police used force, then suppressed this movement. So today class, what we learned? Today class, we learned South Indian Liberal Federation, Justice Ministry, Government Repressive Measures and Rowlatt Act, Satyagraha, Khilafat Movement, Non-Cooperation Movement, No Tax Campaign and Temperance Movement, Surajist and Justice Rivalry, Subbarayan Ministry, then last one is Simon Commission,